Assalamualaikum. Today I'm making aloo chicken ka Salan. Subscribe my channel. Let's start making. Onion dot tomato dot garlic dot green chili. Now blend it. All. Zira. Add taste. Coriander powder, garam masala, salt, turmeric powder, red chili powder, Kashmiri red chili powder, ginger powder. Add some water. Yogurt. Chicken ½ kilogram. Potatoes. Add 2 glasses of water. Coriander leaves. Now cover for 5 minutes and cook on low flame. After 5 minutes, aloo chicken ka Salan is ready. Now serve. Garnish with coriander leaves. Subscribe for more recipes. Like, share, and comment. Thanks for watching. Allah hafiz.